Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jasmine McDonald and I post ballet and fitness related videos. Today's video will be my updated 2026 everyday ab routine. Let's get started with 8 regular crunches, feet flat on the floor. I like to use Taylor Swift's Cruel Summer in the background of my workout, so feel free to put that on to fit with the timing. Let's do 8 sideways crunches. Eight on the other side. Eight crunches with your legs up. Let's do 8 slow bicycles. Actually, imagine you're pedaling your feet on a bicycle and you're going through some really thick mud. Reverse, we're going backwards on our bike. Amazing. Take a little breather before we get started again with those 8 crunches. Let's go in 3, 2, 1 from the beginning. Eight sideways crunches. Switch to the other side. This time when your legs are up, reach for your toes. Try to get your head and shoulders off the floor. Let's do those 8 slow bicycle crunches, pedaling at our feet. And let's reverse. Amazing. Take a quick 5-second rest and then we'll get started for our Pilates roll up. So legs extended beneath you, arms above you, and we exhale. You can use your hands underneath your legs to pull you up a little bit to help. Try to keep your legs flat on the floor as you inhale to lift up. Exhale, go vertebrae by vertebrae all the way down. We repeat. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, tuck your belly button into your spine. Reaching up, inhale, exhale. Once again, tuck the pelvis, roll all the way down. We do that 2 more times. Exhale, we roll up. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, roll down. Last one, you're going to stay seated here. As we exhale, let's roll up. Inhale, lengthen through the spine. Exhale, sit halfway back into a boat pose. Point your toes, option to keep your toes on the floor or have them hovering. Hands in between you. We do 8 oblique boats. So going from one side to the other side. Let's go for 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're going to hold for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We do 8 oblique twists again. Bend the knees and twist from one side to the next for 8, 7, 6. Nice long spine here. 5 and 4. Option to extend the arms. 3 into an offering position. 2 and 1. We're going to hold, extend those legs for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Bring your feet together into a butterfly stretch to stretch out your hips if they're feeling tight. And let's make our way to our plank. Find a low plank, elbows on the floor. We're going to do 16 oblique twists. So tuck the toes under, lift the knees, and twist your hips from one side to the next for 16. And let's hold in this low plank. And relax, untuck the toes, sit back to stretch out your back. Next, we're going to find a high plank for the end of this routine. Guys, we've almost made it. So let's make our way to a high plank with our hands on the floor, tuck the toes under. Then we're gonna hold it to start. All right, let's do toe taps 4 times. Toe tap to the side, and 3, and 4, and 4 plank jacks. We go for 1, 2, 3, 4. Toe taps again for 4, 3, 2. Almost there. 1, 4 plank jacks for 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Guys, we're all done. I hope you feel so accomplished. I felt so great after this. I've been using this with my students, with myself, and I have noticed a huge change in my core work and their core work. So I hope you enjoy this. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now. Don't forget to stretch, and also don't forget to like and subscribe, especially if you want to see more videos like this. And let's get strong together. Again, have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now.